Okay, so welcome back. We have Galaxy Notes today, day number 5, and we have sold, let me see, 2,887 notes. This is going banana. Also, I'm giving away 6 times. Check this out. I'm going to give away, all right, not this one, next one, 6 times $50 for you, all right, all of you, everybody who is going to use my code, all right, to get this amazing note, okay, MXGV1M. If you use my code, I'm going to give away 6 times $50 end of the month, 1st of February. Everybody who use my code, I'm going to do lucky wheel 1st of February, and I'm going to send you back 6 times 50. Okay, I'll pick up 6 person and I'm going to send you 300 back in total. All right, so $300. Okay, so next thing, very important, don't forget, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. Okay, I'm not your mama and papa. What mean I'm not giving you any financial advice. This is crypto is highly risky. Okay, so let's go through about Galaxy engines. 2,887. I didn't check today how much tokens I got. Okay, I had some issues to log in. However, I think yesterday was around 600, so today should be around 500 tokens. I'm plus and minus, okay, few tokens. Again, remember, there are a lot of tokens, a lot of nodes out there. So we have Delicium, okay. Right now, when I go into Delicium, there were over 4,000 sold, 3,000 sold, and I was getting 140 tokens. Here, we're still getting around over 500 tokens, okay, per day. So what's happening is you need to be on Polygon chain. You need USDT. The price is 777. Okay, the price will go up when this number going to hit 10,000. But when this number going to hit over 8,900 or 9,000, this will blow up to 10,000. Okay, easy. This always happen like that. The token is not out yet. The token is coming in the next couple of months. Nobody know when. Nobody know what will be the market cap. Now, even if I was thinking to get this one, you know, this token probably you know, and I think if I'm not mistaken, I was looking into the note a few weeks ago and it was around $6,000. I say $6,000. Delicium cost around, I think, 2,000, 1,700, maybe $2,000, and we have Sonorous cost around $800. But right now you will see the Sonorous price bottom out around 4 cents. Okay, this is for me is a passive income, so I'm still making some money here. It's not a lot, the price is low, but this one I already did 40% ROI on this one, and I'm still holding for the long term. Why I did 40%? Because I was late to the party. I joined here when it was 3.5 weeks already into the pre-sale, but this one is already only day number 5. What's mean nothing. Okay, now next one, Delicium. I ape here when I was getting 140 tokens a day, and then I was getting, I think right now I'm getting 40-50 tokens a day. It's not a lot, however, you know, it's adding up every day. I stake a lot for the long run, you know, so it's good to be between the first one. Again, not financial advice. So when this launch around 3 cents, blow up all the way to 30 cents. You will see here 30 cents. Okay, so just imagine if you're getting 500 tokens a day today, you know, if the price blow up the first couple of days up to 20, 30 cents, 40 cents, I don't know, nobody know, but we can make some good money, you know. At least we can ROI or maybe do a couple of X, and then it will be good staking opportunity, and so on and so on. So Sonorous also blow up. If you go there, max I think blow up to 19 cents. No, I don't think, I know it was the first day when was launching. This is not, doesn't show the first day, however, blow up to 19 cents. Okay, the listing price was around 2.5-3 cents. So again, 20 cents is good. This one here you're getting, I think, around 1,000 tokens if I'm not mistaken a day. So that's around 40 cents right now, if I'm not mistaken, per note, or maybe it's something like that. Was one so 10, 100, 1, so that's like I think $4 or $40 a day. However, the price is for $6,000, and here the price is 777, and I think is well worth it according my personal opinion to get in early. Okay, don't come here when this number is around 10,000. Maybe will be too late. It depends what they're going to do. So this is NFT. I mentioned a few times. Go and watch my first video. They did a NFT collection for Mike Tyson, NFT collection for Steve Aoki, NFT collection for NBA. So this guy can be huge. And if you see this one here, all right, if you see this one here, if I move my face a little bit, you will see they have a full ecosystem how they're going to use. So you have the users, Galaxy engine, that is the node, okay? They're going to have to the users, and they're going to have community on Galaxy, creators, rewards pool, and so on. This will be like a huge circle, and everything going to come to the launch keys here. And the launch keys, we're going to be able to get the people who own the node. You can going to create some private groups here on NFT. Right here you can with the node, okay, this is the engine, that's their node. You can distribute the launch keys, what will be very important, incubate decentralized community, okay, what is very important. If you want to buy, again, click here, go and add my code. What is very important, use Polygon network, okay, that's the main stuff. Okay, if you go right here, by the way, and if you check, they have some posts. I just want to keep this one short, okay. Galaxis 2023, what's they built. You will see that in 2023 it was huge ENS Equinox collection, okay. They released the very first autographed NFTs in the world and implemented GRD collection utility trades, autographs, badges, online meetings, and physical redeemable trades. Okay, so these guys are not a joke. I'm trying to get the team into the AMA. We'll see how long it's going to take me that. Also, you will see here that they sold, okay, over 225,000 NFTs. They have over 32,000 Ethereum made on the secondary market. Only 2 hours for the new project to be deployed, and 50 project plus serve. Okay, don't forget, you have here the testimonials from the founder of Chainlink, of ENS, of Crossmit, and so on and so on. So these guys are serious. Okay, core contribution, Chainlink, ENS, Polygon, Crossmit, diverse, okay, so on and so on. This is the CEO. I'm trying to get this one here, or some of the part of the team, to get in my AMA, and let's see what they're going to say, because we have a lot of questions to ask, especially about the launching time and all this stuff. I know it's too early, but I'm just excited. I don't want to launch right now. I want to launch in the next couple of months, because I want to accumulate more tokens as much I can. Again, thank you so much for this, for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you're getting in or not. And again, don't forget, I'm giving away, let me just see next one. No, sorry, not this one. That's very important. Don't watch that. I'm giving away 6 times $50 for all members who's going to use my code. God bless all of you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Till the next one. I do I, and you do you.